Hello friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign into Manus AI. So what you want to do is simple, go to the website manus.im, and once you're here, click and get started on the upper right hand side, and at the bottom you will have the option to sign in. Now if you don't have an account on Manus, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email address, and you'll be able to join the waitlist in order to receive access to Manus. This can take a couple of days or even a few weeks. From my experience, it took me about 2 weeks, but do get access to Manus. All you have to do is find that email that you receive from your email. I'm going to show you what that email looks like, because you'll not receive an invitation code. You'll receive a join email, and I'm going to show you how that email looks. So let me head over to my email here, and so I can show you that email. So once that email comes in, you will have something like this: you're in. And it just basically shows your email and it says try Manus. No, that's what you will receive once you get access to Manus. And once you get that tried, you can easily log in. Otherwise, you can just head over to it if you already have an account. Click sign in at the bottom. Choose your email if you want to sign in with Gmail there, and you'll be able to quickly sign into your Manus account. And that's it. That's how you sign into Manus AI account, guys.